next. Let's go over how we're going to hold the yarn. So we need to hold on to the yarn as we work. We don't want to just leave it loose and be doing this kind of a thing, because you're going to find it just doesn't work out really well for things going smoothly as you crochet. So how I'm going to show you is how I hold the yarn. I tend to put the yarn under the 3 fingers of my left hand and then over the top of my index finger. And then even a lot of times I use this middle finger as kind of a pincher. You'll see me doing this kind of a thing. So then technically the yarn's really only under these back 2 fingers. I don't have a death grip on the yarn. I'm not holding the yarn really tightly, because if I do that, it really snugs up my stitches on the hook and it makes it harder to work with them. I just want to apply a slight bit of pressure to the yarn. Not much. I want it to move smoothly, but I don't want it to just go like super easy. It needs to have just a hair bit of tension. Not a ton, because then things tighten up. And not just free flowing, okay? You got to find that happy middle ground. And that comes the more you practice, okay? Again, this is how I hold it. You're going to see people that wrap the yarn several times around this finger or another finger to tension their yarn. It's whatever you feel comfortable doing. So figure out what feels good, and that's what you go with.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave us a comment.